Have you ever been told your kidneys are struggling and instantly felt a wave of worry crash over you? I know that feeling. The uncertainty, the questions, the hope for something powerful yet natural to help your body heal. Well, what if I told you there's a remedy so effective for lowering creatinine and supporting kidney health? Most doctors barely mention it. This is part 2, and I'm about to shine a light on the one green solution that's quietly changing lives. Let's get straight to the heart of it. This remedy isn't a mystery drug or some expensive supplement. It's a humble, vibrant food found in almost every grocery store: parsley. That's right. Parsley isn't just a garnish. It's loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C and chlorophyll, which help flush out toxins and ease the load on your kidneys. Plus, it gently helps your body lower creatinine levels, which is crucial for anyone concerned about kidney function. Now, I know you might be thinking, really, just parsley. But here's the thing. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest. Modern science is catching up, confirming what ancient herbalists knew. Fresh, organic greens like parsley can have a profound effect on your kidney health. Here's how I use it. I blend a small handful of parsley with water, squeeze in a little lemon, and drink it like a shot in the morning. It's refreshing, it's green, and it gives my body that gentle nudge toward balance every single day. But don't stop there. Eating a diet full of leafy greens, spinach, kale, cilantro, works synergistically to support your entire detox system. Remember, your kidneys love hydration and clean, plant-based foods. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried a parsley drink? Or do you have your own kidney-friendly recipe? Drop it in the comments below, and let's help each other thrive. Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs. Let's make this year the one where you put your kidney health first. Go green, stay hopeful, and remember, the simplest remedies are sometimes the most powerful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy naturally. Stay green, stay strong.